Alrighty, so we are going to continue working toward this completed project, an 8-bit burger. Last rotation we did the hard work of creating the grid, so let's continue. First step, let's find B4. If you connect them, that square is B4, so draw a vertical line in the center of that square, B4. Now, let's find I4. Connect them, and I want you to give me the same exact vertical line in the center of that square because this is going to be the edges of our hamburger patty. So all you have to do now is connect the horizontal lines on line 4 and line 5, or at least the lines in between 4 and 5, just like what you see in the video. So connect those lines. It's going to give you a nice long rectangle for your hamburger patty. Next up, we need to find C3. On C3, I want you to draw a vertical line on the left side of the square. Same thing with C5. Find C5, and on square C5, it's the same thing. Draw on the left side of that square. Your next step is to find H3. So on that square, what I'd like you to do is draw a vertical line on the right side of the square, on the right side. And if you've guessed that you also need to do the same thing on H5, congratulations, because you're correct. Draw a vertical line on the right side of that square as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make these halfway horizontal lines on all 4 lines we just put. So on the top side of C6, give me half a horizontal line. Same thing with C3, half a horizontal line. On the top side of H3, half a horizontal line. And on the top side of H6, half a horizontal line. We're now building the bun. Now what we need to do is another half, but these ones are vertical. So let's start in C2 and give me a half vertical line up. H2, half vertical line up. C6, half vertical line down, and H6, half vertical line down as well. Now let's complete this burger effect. We want horizontal lines again, kind of like a stair-step pattern. C6, horizontal line going to the right side. H6, horizontal line going to the left. C2, horizontal line going to the right. And H2, horizontal line going to the left. Great. Now let's complete this burger. We're just going to need these half lines one more time, finishing the stair-step pattern. So C2, vertical line up. H2, vertical line up on the left side of the square. C6, vertical line, and H6, vertical lines. Kind of building this stair-step pattern. Now, we just need these horizontal lines to connect our perimeter of our 8-bit burger. So draw this line, make it go all the way across and connect. Same thing at the top side, all the way across and connect. And you can already see the 8-bit burger coming together, but right now it's just a little plain of a shape. We need to correct that. So we're going to add some details, make it look even better. Let's continue. Now we're going to draw the lettuce. We need some lettuce. So I'm going to start inside C5. So find C5, and we're going to do kind of this brick pattern. It's got flat sides horizontally and vertically, and it's going to go straight across the bottom of our bun. So in the middle of C5, draw a horizontal line over to the middle, and then a vertical line up, and then another horizontal line to the side, to the right side of C5. Then go down, and now we're going into D5, so we're going to draw a horizontal line to the right, up, down, and you're going to kind of go halfway into each square, and then go up and down, kind of making this, this line that looks like the top of a castle. And you're going to end this box castle line all the way over there on the right side of square H5. We're going to do the exact same box line, except this time it's going to be on top of the patty, inside of square C4, so vertical line down, horizontal line across to the center of the square, vertical line up a little bit, okay, and then a horizontal line all the way over to the right side of C4, and then you're going to just continue that box line, almost like really chipped teeth. It's going to have that look. But this is how 8-bit works. There are no curved lines in 8-bit. It's all different graphics that involve straight lines. So draw that line all the way over to the side. Great job. Now, where you taped your paper together in between boxes E and F, you're going to draw a mouth. This is going to be a small rectangle. Half of it is an E3, and the other half is an F3. So this little rectangle is going to be the burger's mouth. Go ahead and color it in with your black marker, and after you're done coloring it in, we are next going to get to work on the eyes. Now the eyes are in 4 different quadrants. They are going to be in D2, E2, D3, and E3. It's a rectangle, and the middle of the rectangle should be the spot where D3 meets E3. You're going to do the same thing, except this eye is between F and G3. So you're kind of trying to make those eyes go right in the middle. And then we can even make a nice little shine. So give me an even smaller rectangle in the upper right corner of each of these eyes. And then all you got to do is just color it in. Make sure to do a good job. Don't forget your coloring craftsmanship. Fill it in all the way. Make sure it looks great. The black marker that I'm using is a Sharpie. If Sharpies are not allowed at home or wherever your artistic workspace is, then just use a black Crayola marker. It'll look fine. All right. So now that I've colored in the left eye, I'm going to go ahead and color in the right eye. After we've put in this detail, it is going to be time to color. So I hope that you will be ready for next rotation. This is as far as we're going to go for today, though. We've plotted out our burger. It's all there, ready for color, but we're out of time for today's rotation. So next time, you're going to get some crayons, colored pencils, markers, all that good stuff, and we will continue. Don't forget to take a picture, upload this to Schoology, and I'll see you next time.